Hi, this is Neil Willis from Hypersign Digital Signage. Going to talk to you a little bit about our product and how we integrate with building systems like overhead paging systems within hospitals and education facilities. That's really our focus. So just as ease of use, we actually had elementary school cafeteria workers as our focus group on how to be able to create the easiest way to do digital signage. So just to give you just a simple example of how we can end up changing our templates and stuff through this software, changing our headers. We had with our focus group, we had some people who were 60s and 70 years old, had never used a computer before. Within 15 minutes were able to use Hypersign. Some important facts about our solution is that with PowerPoint being a major content creation tool within education, also within healthcare, a lot of solutions will take your PowerPoint presentations, chop it up into JPEGs, and actually make it a slideshow based off those JPEGs. We don't do that. We actually maintain all of your transitions and all of your animations, and we try to make it very easy to be able to follow this plan right here to create your digital signage. We also have a very cool scheduling feature called Eclipse, and what Eclipse does is, without a control system, you are able to power down the backlight inside of the display, ultimately cutting the power consumption by 70%. That is built into the software. The players are running on Mac, they're running on Windows, they're running on Linux, all three different flavors. We have a cloud version of Hypersign and also an enterprise version that runs with those players. And one of the last things we want to be able to bring up too is our alert functionality. In 2010 at Digital Signage Expo, we actually released what we refer to as Hypersign Alert, that when an emergency happens inside of a facility, like a fire alarm or like an intruder alarm, it allows you to be able to change all the visual displays within that facility. So what I'm going to show you right now is Com, which is the largest paging manufacturer. They're in 35,000 K-12 schools throughout the U.S., more than 60% of all the hospitals, and more than 1 million businesses, which would be really interesting to operators out there. They already have that presence. Our paging solution, which you see here, we have a full screen template running a video that when an emergency happens within that facility, whether it's a CAT-based emergency or a fire alarm or something else, and I'll simulate this with remote control, all the displays end up going to the emergency content. You can hear the audio as well.
This warning does. Please take shelter immediately upon hearing this message. Please wait for the all clear message before resuming your normal.
Now, your emergency content with Hypersign Alert can be created like it would be with the standard content, using PowerPoint, using regular JPEGs, flash animation. Your audio that was actually emitted from the speakers all over the facility can be done via WAV file or text-to-speech. So we've got a pretty robust solution. And what's really nice about it is that the National Fire Protection Act number 72, we believe we're actually the first solution to be fully compliant with that type of setup, which is going to be required in large venues like schools, like hospitals, like airports. So we're here at InfoComm 2012. Great to be here. If you're interested in Hypersign or Valcom, give us a call. We'll be glad to set you up. Have a good day.